1969 GTO Judge, Ram Air 3 car. 1969 GTO Judge, Ram Air 3 car. Runs and drives, ironically enough, even though it looks like horse poop. Actually put it in its spot. 4-speed car. Love that tack. Runs like poop too, but at least it runs.
Yeah, something like that. He's got.
Ironically enough, there was the twin to this car on the other side of the barn finds section, and it was done completely not on purpose. Here's some pictures of it to show how close a correlation they are between the two. You can see cars just like this in my first and second book, available now on Amazon. And you can see a lot more of my adventures on all my social media and the links in the description. Thank you.